All right, so before we get started on our artwork portion, we're going to do a little experiment. And for this experiment, there's a couple terms you're going to need to know. One is solubility or solute. And then we're going to need to know the word solvent and hydrophobic. Okay, so before we get started on our artwork portion of this activity, we're going to do a little experiment with our Sharpies and a regular Crayola marker. And for this activity, there's a few terms you're going to need to know. One is solubility or solute, solvent, and hydrophobic. All right, so here's how it's going to work. Solubility is the ability of a substance, or the solute, to mix into a liquid, the solvent. A solvent is any substance that dissolves a solute. A solute is any substance, liquid, solid, or gas that is dissolved by a solvent. Permanent markers, like Sharpies, are hydrophobic or water-fearing. Hydrophobic substances will not dissolve in water. So, we're going to see what these markers fall under. So first, we're going to take our Sharpie and we're going to do a little scribble. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Then we're going to take our regular Crayola marker and we're going to scribble, scribble, scribble. And we're going to let them dry for a minute. All right, so as soon as both of our markers are dry, we're going to see which solvent is going to dissolve which marker. So let's start off first with our water. So we're going to take water on a rag and I'm going to wipe both. As you can see, the one that came off was the regular Crayola marker, which happens to say ultra clean washable. So that means it comes off very easy and it's solvent in water. Then the next one we're going to do is the permanent marker. And for this one, we're going to use our 91% alcohol, rubbing alcohol. And we're going to wipe the permanent marker. And as you can see, that one does come off with rubbing alcohol. So that one is solvent in rubbing alcohol, but hydrophobic when it comes to regular water. All right, so let's get to the artwork portion.